Oh,
Hello,
he wants to
guys.
get a picture.
We're at Artesian Springs. Monster snapping turtle just ate a worm. Caught a little bluegill before this. Huge. Whoo!
We're gonna let him go.
Yeah,
This is a
no.
protected species.
Yeah, no crap. I don't think we would want to eat that either. I think it would.
Oh, it came off. It came off.
Sweet.
I bet you the hook's all there,
Score.
so let's take a look.
Oh, and also you like caught another fish.
And he's bleeding.
All right, we just got another. Less car, but still another. All right, guys, we didn't catch anything else, but I'm gonna give a nice little gift to Eli. Hey, Eli, I'm gonna get you a gift.
Sure. Okay.
All right. Here you go, so you can sleep better. He's fine. Whee! Now I'm ready.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Yeah. Wait, I got it, but I don't know where I am now.
Hi.
Hi.
No.
Oh, that thing's long.
Alright, we got some coons. They're eating some fucking goldfish. Hey, give me some fucking goldfish, bro. Bro, you want some fucking goldfish? Bro, eat some fucking goldfish. Just stupid goldfish.
Should we just
Don't worry.
Should we leave it like that?
Don't worry, I'm giving him a nice welcome. Get out, you little bitch! See, that was perfectly nice, you know?
Come on, let's go this way. Let's go check it out.
Okay. Hey, you want a goldfish? You want a goldfish? Huh? Bobby, you want a cracker?
Come on, let's look at it.
Oh my god, you booty! God damn it.
Briggs, look at the crocodile.
Oh yeah, also there's
He might
two crocodiles. That one's getting suspiciously close to the bank.
Wait, where is he?
And that one's
now?
just a tiny bit big.
Oh.
That one's a tiny bit